This video is going to change the way you think about creating a niche for content creation. Hi, I'm Sonika Khani and welcome to my new series of How To. Well, this episode is about how to not create a niche for your content creation. Now, I know that there are many of you out there who are just like me who don't want to stick to a niche to create content. I mean, why should you put yourself into a box? For me, creativity matlab going out of the box. For sticking to a niche, I am asked to stay inside the box, which I really cannot do it. And the whole point for me to create content on Instagram or YouTube is by not sticking to a niche, because I have so many topics, guys. मेरे को इतनी सारी चीज़ें पसंद है, and I'm sure you also are like me, where you have so many things to talk about: books, coffee, travel, storytelling, और क्या टॉपिक्स होते हैं, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, endless plants, whatever, name it, and you want to talk about it. Because I mean, come on, for me, sticking to a niche matlab creating that same type of content for the rest of your life, I'll get bored. I mean, I can't do that. So this video is for you if you want to create something the way you like it, because content is all about having fun, right? मेरे पास आप लोगों के लिए 4 स्टेप्स हैं जो आप फॉलो कर सकते हो, एंड आई थिंक दिस माइट जस्ट हेल्प यू आउट, सो कीप वॉचिंग. Step number 1 is create a core intent and not a narrow topic. Say you like to talk about fashion, beauty, but ask yourself, what is the intention behind posting that video? For example, what is the value I want people to take away from that? It's not always about like tips and hacks, it's about so much more. A video can give you so much more. You could be inspired by my confidence, by the way I talk in front of the camera. You could like my aesthetics, you could like the way I speak, you could like what I'm wearing, or you could just like the topic in general, what I'm talking about. So that is your core intention behind creating that piece of content. Yes, har koi fashion, beauty, everything they're creating around so many other topics, but what are you giving away in that video? So think about that and create your pieces accordingly for your followers. अब मैं एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. मेरी एक फेवरेट क्रिएटर है लरिसा डिसा. शी इज़ ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, शी इज़ ऑन यूट्यूब, शी इज़ एवरीवेयर. आई लव हर एंड आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग हर कंटेंट सिंस मैनी मैनी ईयर्स. जब उसने अपनी यूट्यूब जर्नी शुरू की थी, she used to make DIY home decor videos, she used to make jewelry, she used to make art, she used to do so much. And though after so many years, today her core content is travel. But if you see, she talks so much about manifestations, she also talks about beauty, she does lifestyle videos, she does so much more than just travel. And that's how you connect with your audience, because एक टाइप की ऑडियंस तो होती नहीं है. आई मीन दैट्स द होल पॉइंट ऑफ क्रिएटिंग नीश कंटेंट. येस, यू विल गेट a specific kind of audience or your followers, but why stick to that? I mean, you can have so much fun. जब आप कंटेंट बना रहे हो, आप सोचो ना, आज आप फैशन के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, कल आप ट्रैवल के बारे में बात कर सकते हो. सो यू कैन जस्ट प्ले अराउंड एंड हैव फन विद इट. Eventually, after a few years, if you figured it out that okay, this is something I like to create about a lot, maybe you can stick to that along with few more other topics you can just throw in. Step number 2. अब ये ध्यान से सुनो. ये एक ऐसा स्टेप है जो आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी यूज कर सकते हो कोई भी वे में. वेल, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर विजुअल और एन इमोशनल सिग्नेचर. Let me give an example. Hey guys, hi, my name is Sonika. Welcome to my channel. These can be your signature phrases. I mean, this is just an example, but आप अपनी creativity use करके एक ऐसा signature move या फिर ऐसा signature style or a phrase or a music or some hook that you create for your videos, you can create that in every video of yours, so that there is some kind of a recall. Every time someone sees that video, they will remember that, oh, ये video Sonika की है. It could even be a filter, it could be a simple font that you use consistently in every post of yours. So that becomes your signature identity. Research online, see what others are doing, take inspiration, go to Pinterest, do with what connects with you the most, and throw it in your videos and create your own signature style. Step number 3. content pillars बनाओ. For example, you like to talk about fashion. Minimal fashion for daily office wear can be a topic or a content pillar. उसके अंडर आप फैशन हैक्स दे सकते हो, OOTDs दे सकते हो, अफोर्डेबल वर्कवेयर दे सकते हो, लग्जरी वर्कवेयर दे सकते हो. Those can be your, say, subtopics. Take a note of all the things that you love to talk about. उसके अंदर आप अपने सब कैटेगरीज बना सकते हो and you can go like all out. Step number 4, last step, create mini series out of it. So for example, minimal beauty rituals आपका content pillar है, उसके अंदर say beauty hacks 101, part 1, part 2, part 3. So every time someone is like eager to know what is in your part 2, it could be affordable beauty rituals that you start, or it could be a home remedy that you do. Don't just blindly follow trends, because you need to create a trend. You don't have to like copy a trend just because it's cool. And accordingly customize your beauty regimen and rituals and create content around it. So ये थे मेरे 4 easy steps of how you don't have to stick to a niche. You can play around with your content. Remember the 3 C's: clarity, consistency, and थोड़ा सा courage. Always remember that हर किसी का page, personality, brand is unique. It is not a one shoe fits all strategy. Find what is right for your content and create it accordingly. And अगर आपका आज day 1 है of content creation and you felt like, you've come across this video and you felt like, oh shit, ये मुझे नहीं पता कैसे करूँ, relax. Just create whatever comes to your mind. Go all out with your creativity. Just get regular with your postings. And once you get into the habit, then you go into strategizing. Oh, okay, maybe I can do this, maybe I can do that. If you're just starting out, एक तो पहली बात तो आपको फिगर आउट करने में ही टाइम लगेगा कि what do you like to talk about. So continue creating and have fun with your content, because content creation is use of creativity. Get out of the box and go create whatever you feel like. And if you've liked this video, so please, you know the drill. Share it with whoever can relate to it, and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you need any help. I'm always there for you. You can chat with me, you can drop in your comments, and I'll see you in the next episode. The next one is also going to be very helpful for content creators. So stay tuned. Bye.